Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a sad day because the first car you guys seen in this channel, the TLX, the 2017 TLX with the exhaust and stuff, we're basically gonna have to put the stock exhaust back on and put the stock intake back on because my brother is gonna trade in with a different car. So yeah, we're gonna do that today. So let's enjoy this exhaust for one last time. Can't do it, this car in front of me. But yeah, stay tuned. So as you guys heard, that's what it sounds like. So that's the exhaust shop we usually go to. We're gonna go there, put the stock mufflers back on and the stock resonators back on. It was so fun. Why are you laughing? So here's the stock mufflers and the resonators. That's the resonator and these are the mufflers. And on the car we had this on. This was done 3 years ago. So yeah, it's kind of rusty and this is where the resonator goes.
Sometimes your people exist to tell you the truth. In some old space, I'm cutting off ties and getting my loot.
Rest in peace, pipe. Rest in peace. This is my cat in the exhaust shop. I love him. It's my baby and ain't nobody gonna touch it. Okay.
Cats don't have to see, gotta move fast, I gotta improve. This shit not forever, when Jonathan died, I was my living proof. So nigga, if you want my trust, you gotta earn it. Don't ask, have you heard of me? I never heard that shit. Nigga, we don't talk too much, I had to learn that shit. If you made me cross that bridge, I guess I'll burn that shit. So nigga, if you want my trust, you gotta earn it. Don't ask, have you heard of me? I never heard that shit. Nigga, we don't talk too much, I had to learn that shit. Cause it's hard to trust somebody. Niggas watching me, they watching. They be plotting on me, they plotting. Yeah, it's hard to trust somebody. Niggas watching me, they watching. They be plotting on me, they plotting.
Alright guys, so again we came to Premier Auto Body and Muffler Shop. So if you're in the City Field area, come here. They do a pretty good job and their prices are pretty low and their wheels are like perfect. So yeah, gotta give them a shout out. Premier Auto Body, look it up on Google Maps, it should pop up.
They blind. Even though I walk through the valley shadows of death, I looked up to the sky, the light beaming, forgot I'm blessed. Passing by the tree, see the eyes appear on my left. Breathe out on my face, see the ghosts appear from my breath. Nigga, I didn't even make it nowhere that far. Hating niggas watching, we know that part.
One eternity later.
So guys, there's no more sound. You can't hear shit. All you hear is the motor. But after I put the stock intake back on, you won't even hear that as much. It sounds so bad. But yeah, on to the next car, I guess. Next clip will be me putting on the stock intakes. And after that, the car goes bye-bye. There's a lot of memories with this car. That's why it's so special. So yeah, sad boy hours.
20 minutes later.
Alright guys, forgot to record, but I put the old intake back on. Here's what it looks like. Put the old intake back on. This is the one I had. I used to have the Spectre one, but then someone wanted it, so I sold it to him, and I think this is from eBay, but I just got a good cone, and that was that. So yeah, this is the end of this car. I started ripping apart the plastic tip too, since we're gonna trade it in. So that's gonna be it for this video. On to the next video, but this is the last time you guys are gonna see this car. So yeah, peace out.